Donating a car is one of the most powerful and underappreciated ways to give back to your community, support a cause you care about, and receive financial and personal benefits in return. Whether you have an old vehicle that no longer runs, a second car you don't need, or even a newer car you're ready to part with, car donation is a smart and impactful option. Many people overlook the value of car donation simply because they assume the process is complicated or they're unaware of the advantages. But in reality, donating a car is simple, beneficial, and deeply rewarding in more ways than one. One of the most compelling reasons to donate your car is the opportunity to help others. Across the country, non-profit organizations rely on vehicle donations as a vital source of funding. These organizations might auction off the car and use the proceeds to fund community programs, educational initiatives, food banks, healthcare services, housing for the homeless, and much more. Some charities actually use the vehicles themselves for day-to-day operations, transporting people, delivering supplies, or supporting outreach programs. Others give the donated cars directly to people in need, such as veterans, low-income families, or individuals transitioning out of homelessness. Your car, even if it's not in perfect condition, can become a tool that changes someone's life. Beyond the humanitarian aspect, donating a car comes with several practical advantages. First and foremost is convenience. Selling a car, particularly an older one, or one that needs repairs, can be a time-consuming and frustrating experience. You need to create a listing, respond to potential buyers, schedule appointments, negotiate price, and hope the transaction goes smoothly. On top of that, you have to deal with paperwork, title transfers, and possibly repair work before it can even be sold. Car donation, by contrast, is a fast and stress-free process. Most reputable donation programs handle everything for you. They'll schedule a free pickup, often within a few days of your request, and take care of the necessary documentation, including the title transfer and DMV paperwork. In many cases, you don't even have to be present when the vehicle is picked up. Another major advantage of car donation is the tax benefit. If you donate your vehicle to a qualified 501c3 non-profit organization, you are typically eligible to claim a deduction on your federal income taxes. The exact amount you can deduct depends on how the charity uses the vehicle. If the car is sold, you can generally deduct the sale price. If the charity keeps the car for operational use or gives it to someone in need, you may be able to deduct the vehicle's fair market value. This can result in significant tax savings, particularly if your car is still in decent condition or has high resale value. To ensure you receive your deduction, make sure to obtain a written receipt and follow the IRS guidelines, and always consult a tax advisor to understand how the deduction applies to your specific situation.